This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rod Mayhew. Don't miss out on this stunning 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home located on a beautiful conservation lot in the highly sought after Apollo Beach community of WATERSET. This home features an open floor plan with 10-foot ceilings, separate office/flex space, gourmet kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, tray ceilings, 5 1/4-inch baseboards plus much more. Updates and upgrades include high-end window coverings, updated lighting fixtures, decorative glass front door, hurricane shutters, a natural gas whole home generator, 19 electric solar panels, a new paver driveway and walkway, whole home gutters, water softener located in garage, screened in rear covered patio with a conservation view, pull-down attic stairs with decking, ceiling-mounted storage rack in the garage, painted garage floor, 3 solar light tubes located in entry area, primary bath and secondary bath. Bathroom 2 was recently updated from a tub to a shower. Natural gas appliances include the whole home generator, water heater, and range. Another great feature is the sprinkler system for the yard uses reclaimed water. The home has an assumable VA mortgage at 2.25. The WATERSET community places you just minutes from top-rated schools, restaurants, and shopping, as well as quick access to I-75 for an easy commute to Tampa, St. Petersburg, or Sarasota. You will also enjoy resort-style amenities that include 4 heated pools, tennis and pickleball courts, basketball and volleyball courts, and 2 fitness centers with full gyms as well as miles of walking, biking, and running trails, multiple playgrounds and dog parks, community parks, and open green spaces.